Urban Gardening Thailand here. Join me in my garden growing plants, seedlings, and cuttings in tropical Asia.
Caution! Datura plants are poisonous. They can kill. No part of the plant should be ingested in any shape or form. Keep young children and pets away from Datura plants. You have been warned. Look at this Datura plant I found near my house. I'm not sure exactly what species it is. Possibly Datura stramonium or Datura metel. If you have an idea, please leave a comment below. It had already flowered and produced seed pods that were now totally dried up. You get a lot of seeds from one pod. Here's a close-up of the seed pods and the seeds. I have two groups of 10 seeds. These over here on the left have not been scarified, and these on the right I scarified by snipping off the tips with a nail clipper. I will soak them for 24 hours before planting them. The seeds have soaked for 24 hours. I got 5 in each pot, and I'm going to cover them with a very, very thin layer of soil. If the seeds float to the surface, you can gently push them back down. And if you live in a dry environment, you might want to create some kind of clear top to help keep the moisture in and keep a high humidity level. It's been only 9 days and we have one seed already sprouted. And once you know it, it's a non-scarified seed. It's day 10 and we've got another one. This time it's a scarified one. It's 11 days later, and look at all these sprouts. The one on the left has 4 sprouts, and it's a non-scarified container. So it looks like there is no need to scarify Datura seeds. It was my experience that seeds from fresh seed pods grew quite easily and quickly. I kept the soil moist but not saturated, and the temperature was always above 72 degrees Fahrenheit, about 22 degrees Celsius. I will thin the seedlings as necessary and then transplant them either into large pots or into my garden. I will leave notes in the description below. If you would like to see periodic updates, tick that like button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Tick that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can find Lucky Dog's life playlist, gardening playlist, and computer tutorial playlists from the links in the description below. See you next time.